Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at smart hosting. Now this is a brand new web hosting solution and you can host unlimited websites, domains on blazing fast servers for a low one-time price, which is only $17. Now, just like I said, you can host unlimited websites for yourself or for your clients, guys. And one of the coolest part about this, guys, is that this comes with agency website. If you wanted to sell, web hosting services to others, you can also do that because this comes with agency webs that you can um, automatically use and install this in your domain, and you can start selling your web hosting solution or web hosting services to other people, right? Now you can host unlimited domains, and you can create unlimited email accounts, unlimited SSL certificates. This also comes with a drag and drop page builder or website builder. Now, just like I said, website is one of the best asset that you can have in your online journey, guys, because you can pretty much do anything with your website. You can create content, you can create blog, you can create bonus pages, you can create landing pages, bridge pages. Pretty much you can do anything with your website. Now, this can really help you guys a lot when especially when you're starting out and you don't want to pay for expensive hosting companies like Hostgator or BlueHost. Now, I'm not saying that smart hosting is better than this big companies. Now, smart hosting can really help you guys out when it comes, especially when you're starting out and you don't want to pay for this expensive hosting companies. And then you can just try out. You can just try smart hosting. Just like I said, this is $17 and you're protected by 365 days money back guarantee. If you don't like the product, then you can just refund your money, right? Now, if you wanted to pick it up, guys, using my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, I'm gonna throw in some extra bonuses. That way you can have an additional value of your smart hosting investment. My bonus number one, I'm gonna give you access to affiliate commission miner. Now, this is a guide that can really help you guys out when it comes to your affiliate marketing journey. Bonus number two is affiliate money machine. This is another guide that can really help you guys as well. You know, uh, with your affiliate marketing journey. My bonus number three is I'm gonna give you access to instant content creator. Now, if you wanted to create your own website content, now this can really help you guys out because this software will create content automatically for you. My bonus number four is I'm gonna give you access to a WordPress plugin, which is WP Visitor Chat, and you can chat your visitor with this plugin. And then bonus number five is traffic and SEO for your site. If you wanted to drive your traffic, this guide can really help you guys as well when it comes to driving traffic and optimizing your website through a search engine. Bonus number six is a website manager software. Now, this can really help you guys out when it comes to managing or optimizing your website. Bonus number seven, support software. Bonus number eight is WP Viral Click. Bonus number nine, I'm going to show you guys in this guide how to promote your site successfully. Bonus number 10 is all vendor bonuses. Aside from these bonuses, guys, you can also get access to this graphic bonuses right here. Bonus number one is evergreen infographics. Bonus number two, expert graphic videos pro. Bonus number three, animated graphics fire sale. Bonus number four, instant graphics collection. Bonus number five, using graphics to maximize your business. Bonus number six, meditation graphics pack. Bonus number seven, infographics volume. Bonus number eight, public speaking graphics pack. Real estate graphics. Bonus number 10, money graphics pack. 11, cartoon graphics pack. 12, marketing graphics toolkit version 2. There's a lot of bonuses right here, guys. I just scroll down this, and feel free to pause the video if you wanted to read the title of the bonuses that you can also get as well. But you can get all these bonuses, graphic design bonuses, when you guys use my link down in the description of this video. Now, there are 47 graphic design bonus right here that you can get instant access after your purchase of smart hosting through my link. which is the first link, right? So just like I said, this is 47, right? So let me scroll it down until I can until we find until we end up at the 47, right? Just feel free to post the video if you want to, right? So you can this can really help you guys out when it comes to getting an additional value to your investment with smart hosting. All right. Aside from that bonuses, you can also get instant access to this 20 of this amazing bonus right here. Jupyter video conference software. Bonus number two is your Meet app Android iOS video conference app, just like Zoom. Bonus number three, live smart video chat. Bonus number four, Event Time Pro outline, event ticket selling management, which is a this is a management multi-vendor platform. And then next one is PlayTube live streaming video CMS platform. Bonus number seven, Gallery WordPress plugin. Bonus number eight, Cloudflare media library, Folders Cloud, all-in-one video script, video or video clipping mask for Elementor, Android video editor, WordPress video robot plugin, Ask Me the Ultimate Questions social network, video streaming portal, social scrolling magic animation, animated headline on widget for Elementor, Lottie animated images for DV Builder. Now you can get 20 of these guys additional bonuses if you would like to use my link down in the description of this video. And then aside from that, you can also get instant access to this high quality bonus right here. Bonus number one is XSpeed Traffic White Level. Now this software is similar to Zing app. Uh, is XSpeed is the ultimate white level SaaS platform with complete YouTube marketing solutions for your business to grow. And then the next bonus, guys, is Go Stack White Level. Um, you can start your own premium stock photos business and get paid for per download. And then next one is free access to artificial intelligence logo creator. And then next one is free access to premium graphics app done for you template. And then next one, guys, is traffic smash. But next one is Bosch clickback profit. Bonus number nine is um, add smarty omni. Bonus number 10 is, you can get all these bonuses, guys, when you use my link down in the description of this video. Alright, these are all 18 bonuses that you can get access as well. Now there's a lot of bonuses, guys, when you use my link in the description of this video, and you can get access all of those completely free of charge. Now this document, guys, is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account after your purchases of smart hosting. This can really help you guys a lot, getting an additional value with your investment for only, like, just like I said, for only $17. Right now, guys, let me show you the members. So here's the the members area, the membership area of smart hosting. Just like I said, this comes with website security, SEO tools, website builder, site builder, SSL certificate, white label backup. You can manage SSL certificate, and this comes with VPN as well. And this is where you manage your domain, and this is where you manage your hosting. You order your hosting right here. Now you purchase the front end. This is where you get, and you can just click on this and start using this after your purchase of smart hosting. Right now, just like I said, guys, this can really help you guys a lot, right? Because when you're starting out, you don't want to pay for monthly web hosting solution. This can really save you hundreds of dollars per month. And aside from those bonuses, guys, here are bonuses from the vendor as well. Bonus number one is 100 done for you money making affiliate campaigns. Bonus number two is website agency business in a box. you know Bonus number three is Facebook ads business in a box. Bonus number four, graphic design animation business in a box. Bonus number 5, video agency in a box. Video creation software is included as well. Wow, this is really awesome. Bonus number 6 is commercial reseller license to video crafting. Gives you a massive bundle of professional done for you animated video temp. Wow, this is awesome. Bonus number 11, Traffic Mate, which is cloud app. Powerful all-in-one traffic suite allows you to generate 1,000 visitors fast. And then bonus number smart special bonus number 2 is for Video Max. Funnel license is included. Commercial license is included, plus reseller license as well. And then smart hosting special bonus number 3 is full unrestricted access to brand custom made video chat web app. Special bonus number 4, YouTube analytic bundle of tools. Special bonus number 5, social media monster result rights. Now there's a lot of bonuses that you can get, guys, when you guys use to purchase smart hosting through my link down in the description of this video. You know, your $17 is fully protected by 365 365 days money back guarantee, and you're gonna get all of those amazing bonuses completely free of charge when you use my link down in the description of this video. Again, guys, when you click the link, which is the first link, this will take you to sales page that looks something like this. Again, you can host unlimited website domains for a low one-time price. This comes with agency site. You wanted to sell your own video hosting services or web hosting services, rather, then you can also do that, right? Watch this video right here, guys. Read the information of the sales page. Have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. For me, this can really help you guys out because you don't have to pay for a monthly payment for your hosting, and you can use this unlimited for life for yourself or for your clients. And yeah, I think that would be in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have, and I'll see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.